Welcome back to Technologia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can dual and Adobe Acrobat Reader. The first thing is search Adobe Reader, press in here, and we can see information about download. For example, more options for download, and we can see the system operative Windows 11, 10, and if you want to download in other languages, you can see here and to the slides and download Adobe Reader. At 10 minutes approximately after, we can see Adobe Reader this ask, and you press yes. Okay, in my case I did reverse it, and this charge at 10 minutes and finish. When you're finished, we can see this Adobe Reader is for example, I have this PDF and I want to open. We can see this form in the web or the application. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content with us.